Well, once again this afternoon, temperatures very close to 100 degrees again across southeast Texas. Right now we're at 92 degrees, pretty hot. Our roofing 911 Skycam network currently Horseman Western Store in Orange. It's been a mostly sunny. It's been a very hot day. Thankfully, the humidity was a little bit lower today, and that kept the heat index from being too bad. We had some drier air move in just above the surface today. But here's the great news as we go into next week. One more real hot day tomorrow. And look how, Tim, we even see highs in the 80s coming up a couple of days next week. Boy, what a change from the upper 90s to near 100 we've had over the last several days. I think everybody's ready for this. If we can just get through tomorrow, I think we'll be in good shape. Still one more hot day. We'll be in the upper 90s, some areas close to 100 tomorrow. But as we head toward late in the day, we'll be looking off to the east as showers and thunderstorms will start working to the west. So we'll have about a 20% coverage showers and storms in our forecast by late tomorrow, and chances will slowly increase as we head throughout tomorrow night into Monday as that front works in from the north. Right now, 101 in Woodville, 98 here in Beaumont, 91 in Lake Charles. We fell just short of a record high temperature today. Looks like the high was 99. That record was 100, very close to that, but fell just short. Triple digits, though, in College Station, Waco, out in west, as high pressure continues to dominate much of the state's weather this afternoon. That will be changing over the next 48 hours or so. Look how hot and dry it is and clear across Texas. A lot of dry air in place today, but look to our east. We have showers and thunderstorms now as far west as Baton Rouge up into northeastern Louisiana. Big complex of storms over the southeastern United States. All this is working to the west and southwest. So it's good news for us. Moisture levels will be increasing from the east, and we'll have a good chance of rain beginning late tomorrow night, and especially just after the weekend into early next week. So that's certainly good news. Also a trough of low pressure here, which we'll be talking about in just a second when it comes to the tropical weather outlook. We'll look at that and see things looking a little bit better for today. Your tropical weather outlook. Now, of course, the National Hurricane Center still has the Northwest Gulf outlined for a slight chance for tropical development over the next couple of days. See, that's a trough of low pressure to our east and northeast. It's going to work out in the Gulf. We have a front coming down from the north. It's going to stall along the coast and just offshore. So low pressure could develop along that front. But the good news is today, in fact, looking at new computer models this morning and this afternoon, the models actually have the low even weaker and farther to the south. So that's even better news. So even if anything develops or not, it's not going to be a major factor in our forecast here because it'll be heading on off to the west-southwest towards South Texas. But we still have good rain chances in our forecast just due to the front being in the area, high pressure leaving, and plenty of moisture in place. And there's Invest 94L out in the Atlantic, still forecasted to work to the west. Good news with this one as well. It will stay well to our south even if it develops over the next several days. Now here's Futurecast. Here's the good news as far as our rain chances coming in from the east over the next 24 hours. No rain expected tonight. It's been a hot, dry day today. We've had highs close to 100. Overnight tonight, we'll slip into the 70s. It's going to be a warm night. Notice off to our east as we head throughout the day tomorrow. I think most of tomorrow will be hot and dry. Not much rain expected for much of the day, but notice what comes in late in the day from the east as we'll put this into motion. Notice the time stamp. Here's noon tomorrow. Already a few showers developing across southwestern Louisiana. We head throughout the afternoon. More will develop and work on in from the northeast. Some pretty heavy thunderstorms in spots possible tomorrow evening. So we'll go with about a 20% coverage late tomorrow. That jumps to a 40% coverage by tomorrow night and 60% on Monday. So certainly some good news there. Maybe not great news for the lakes area next week. It looks like the best chances of rain will be south of the lakes, closer here in the Triangle and along the coast. Your marine forecast will have south winds up to 15 knots, seas 2 feet. Water temperature 89 in the Gulf of Mexico. Mostly clear for the lakes and the Triangle tonight. Lows will be in the lower 70s lakes, mid to upper 70s Triangle into the coast. One more hot day tomorrow. Still pretty hot at 99, close to 100 in the lakes, upper 90s in the Triangle. But yes, a chance of thunderstorms by late in the day tomorrow for your Sunday with highs in the upper 90s. And your 10-day forecast, this is a nice one. Of course, the chance of storms by late tomorrow and tomorrow night, that coverage is up to 60% for Monday. And even after Monday, those rain coverages still pretty high, 50% Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, still 40% Friday. But notice the temperatures, instead of upper 90s, we're talking low 90s and even some upper 80s. Now, it's not going to rain every day, all day, in every location. It'll be on and off, just a lot of scattered showers next week, and we certainly need every drop.